PiNetwork launch date. What to expect and key insights for investors. The PiNetwork mainnet launch has sparked significant interest within the cryptocurrency space, raising questions about its impact, price predictions, and long-term potential. In this guide, we'll explore the PiNetwork launch date, its price predictions, and what the mainnet launch means for PiNetwork users. What is PiNetwork? The PiNetwork is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency that allows users to mine Pi using their smartphones. This blockchain-based crypto was launched on March 14, 2019 by the Pi core team, which includes Chingyao Fan, and the platform aims to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyone. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, PiNetwork uses a unique consensus algorithm called Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, which allows users to mine Pi coins without draining their device's battery or using significant amounts of processing power. Since its inception, the PiNetwork has grown to over 10 million users and 8 million mainnet migrated pioneers, creating a robust community focused on building an ecosystem for decentralized applications and peer-to-peer transactions. What the mainnet launch means for PiNetwork users. The mainnet launch is a critical milestone for any cryptocurrency, and for the PiNetwork, it signifies the transition from the enclosed mainnet phase to an open network launch, where regular users can begin trading and using Pi in a broader ecosystem. There have been speculations and reports that the open network launch will over in the Q1 phase of 2025, and this shift offers the following benefits. 1. Increased utility. The PiNetwork's value will depend on its use in real-world transactions, the development of decentralized applications, and partnerships. Listing on exchanges. Many pioneers are already asking questions like, is PiNetwork listed yet? The answer is no, however. While the Pi core team has not confirmed listings on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance yet, the mainnet launch makes such listings more likely in the future. 3. KYC verification. To participate fully in the open network launch, users must complete the KYC process. This ensures the network's integrity and compliance with regulations. PiNetwork launch date. The exact PiNetwork launch date for the open network remains speculative, as the project is still in its enclosed mainnet period. During this phase, users can test the network, transfer tokens among themselves, and prepare for broader adoption. Also, the developers announced that the launch depends on completing the KYC verification for the majority of users and building a sustainable ecosystem. PiNetwork price prediction. What's next? One of the most debated topics so far has been the PiNetwork price prediction. So here are the following things to consider that can affect Pi price. 1. Initial price movements. Since Pi is currently an unlisted token, it has no price history or current price on exchanges. However, the Pi coin price prediction suggests that its initial price movements will depend on market demand, maximum supply, and adoption. 2. PiNetwork price in dollar. Several crypto experts are predicting and speculating that the PiNetwork price in its early stages could range from 10 cents to $10, depending on the number of active users and ecosystem development. 3. Long-term forecasts. How much will 1 Pi be worth in 2025? Questions like this have been asked, and while it's impossible to predict with certainty, analysts believe Pi could reach an average price of $6 to $25 if the project achieves widespread adoption. Key factors influencing Pi coin price prediction. Here are some key factors influencing Pi price prediction. Here are some key factors influencing Pi price prediction. Crypto market sentiment. The overall state of the cryptocurrency markets will significantly affect the Pi coin price prediction. This is because a bullish market could drive prices higher, while a bearish one would do the opposite. Ecosystem development. The success of decentralized applications and the Pi cryptocurrency ecosystem will determine its long-term value. supply and demand. With a controlled mining rate and active user base, Pi's scarcity could positively impact its price. Will PiNetwork be listed on Binance? A frequently asked question by pioneers is, will Pi coin be listed on Binance? While there is no official confirmation, listing on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance or Coinbase would boost the PiNetwork's performance and visibility. The Pi core team emphasizes the importance of growing the network's utility to support its value and for Pi to become a good investment. Its ecosystem must thrive, and its developers have been working to create use cases within the crypto community, including peer-to-peer transactions, allowing users to trade goods and services using Pi, decentralized applications, building dApps to expand the network's functionality, business partnerships, collaborating with merchants and businesses to accept Pi as a payment method, challenges and risks of PiNetwork. While the PiNetwork has potential, it's important to note that there are some challenges and risks, which includes 1. KYC verification delays. Many users report delays in completing the KYC process, which could slow the open network launch. 2. Regulatory scrutiny. As with any cryptocurrency, Pi may face regulatory challenges that could impact its adoption and value. 3. Speculation. As an unlisted token, Pi's price remains speculative, and users should perform their own due diligence before investing. Conclusion: is Pi a good investment? PiNetwork has come a long way since its inception, and the mainnet launch will be a defining moment for the project. While the Pi coin price prediction remains speculative, the launch could open up new opportunities for users and investors alike. So whether or not Pi will be a good investment depends on its adoption, utility, and performance in the broader crypto market. For now, users should monitor developments closely, use their invitation code to onboard new users, and explore the network's growing ecosystem. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.